to my channel. Before we get started, click that subscribe button and give me a huge thumbs up. Today we are going to be opening LOLs, and one more big LOL. Yay! I'm going to open the smallest one first. I'm going to save the best one for the last. In my first one, I got this. On the next layer. Looks like we got the hot pink ball. Now the last layer. Now I'm going to open the ball. I got the sandpit, the magnifying glasses, the collector guide, and more surprises. Now I'm going to open my first surprise. My first surprise is a scooper. Now I'm going to open my second surprise. At my second surprise, I got a cat bottle. At my third surprise, I got the outfit. Let's say Cuddle Bay. And this is my last surprise. I got a skunk. Yeah. The skunk is named as Lee Skunk Beef. Now I'm going to show you the secret message. It's a couch and a potato. Couch potato. Now I'm going to open the sandpit. I got blue sand. Now let's dig in. I found something. I found one shoe. Second shoe. Third shoe. And my fourth shoe. Look at all this blue sand. That's so fun. Okay, I'm going to put this back now. to put the costume on. Now I'm going to fill in the paper. I'm going to take the sticker and place it on Pet's secret message. Now I'm going to write the E on the collar. And one more. Now my brother's coming.
Hi guys, I have a question for Belle. Does the skunk fart like a real skunk?
Now my brother's coming.
Hi guys, I have a question for Belle. Does the skunk fart like a real skunk?
I don't think so.